I think is another pretty common problem with these chairs is I've read on the reviews that the seams right here like to rip out. And so this one we got for $8, had 3 seams ripped out right there. And so this is the fix that I have come up with, and I'll show you what I did. We bought a canvas bag at the Goodwill outlet. Cost us probably 75 cents. And so here's some of that canvas off that bag. And what I am doing is I am basically just taking this and I'm going to cut a patch right there, just like I did here. So this is the fabric that I cut out there. And then I just cut a little notch for this and then fed the extra fabric into it. And then I just basically went crazy with the sewing machine. And it doesn't look great, and I would suggest definitely going with black thread. I happen to have this UV resistant outdoor thread that I got for sewing sails. I got it from a sailing website a while back because I was fixing one of my kiteboarding kites. And so this thread is going to last a lot longer than just your standard thread. So I decided to go with this. So anyways, I just wanted to share this little fix here. I'm doing, particularly, I tried to do a whole bunch of runs across here and some zigzags just to make sure that this isn't going to rip out again, because this is where all the tension is, because this is where the poles go. You'll be happy to know that a regular sewing machine is easily able to sew this fabric here. It feels pretty thick, and so I was pretty sure that it wasn't actually going to work, that our sewing machine was just going to get stuck, because we have a pretty light duty machine. It's a little brother computerized sewing machine thing, but it had no problem sewing all this, and so just wanted to give that tip out there. Update: we've been using these chairs for about 6 months and have had no problems with them. They still work great.
Surprise!
Woohoo!
Woo.
What's up, Vera? Yep, so all these stitches seem to be holding up just fine on my chair, and Caitlin's repaired poles, or pole, just a single one. This guy right here is also holding up perfectly. So, pretty fun. Also, here's our campsite. Yeah, got a pretty decent view here.